how to delete Google Photos without deleting it from phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Google Photos and choose the photo that you want to delete and tap on the trash icon. Then you can see that it will be removed from your Google account and devices. So, since we don't want it to be deleted from our device, what we need to do is let's exit the Google Photos app and open the web browser on your iPhone and then search for photos.google.com. So it can be Safari, Google Chrome, or whatever you prefer. Make sure you're logged into your Google account. Now, search for the photo that you want to delete. Go ahead and tap on it. And there you'll see trash icon on the top right. Go ahead and tap on it. So if you tap on move to trash, then now the photos won't be deleted from your device and it will just be deleted from your Google Photos. So that's it. If you want to delete photos, then you'll have to open Google Photos on your web browser. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.